I am Shagufta Tazeen and I feel honored to welcome you all in today's mock parliament session. To discuss this matter, we have honorable members representing their treasury benches and opposition benches. They will represent their view just like in Indian parliament. This is our mock parliament session and they are the ministers of parliament. Now we will start the proceedings.
Order. The Honorable Parliament of India is now in session.
Honorable members, please take your seats. Today's session of the mock parliament is called to order. The topic for discussion is: should social media be regulated for students under 16? I request the Honorable Prime Minister to present the motion.
Thank you, Honorable Madam Speaker. Today, social media is shaping young minds more than schools and families. While it connects globally, it also exposes them to addiction, cyberbullying, fake news, and mental health issues. Recently in Ghaziabad, a Korean game friend influenced students to take unsafe risk. This incident shows that unrestricted access can harm young people. Rather than completely banning social media for those under 16, we should enforce age limit, parental control, and digital safety. I urge this House to support the motion. Thank you.
Thank you, Honorable Madam Speaker. Students today spend more time scrolling than studying, and many studies have shown many rising cases on low concentration, anxiety, and depression among the teenagers. We are not going to ban the social media. We are going to guide its use, just like how the traffic rules will guide the vehicles. Education must come before entertainment, and I fully support this motion.
Honorable Madam Speaker, if we regulate alcohol, driving age and movies, why not social media? Young minds need guidance.
Objection, Madam Speaker. We respect the concept of the government, but we strongly oppose this motion. Social media
I request you to please wait till you get your turn. Respected government MP, you can continue.
Thank you, Madam Speaker. If we regulate alcohol, driving age and movies, why not social media? Young minds need guidance, not unlimited exposure. This step will build a healthier and more focused generation. I support the motion.
Thank you, Honorable Madam Speaker. As the Minister of Health, I must highlight the mental health crisis among teenagers. Why does social media encourages this instant comprehension, leading to the self-esteem and stress? Many people feel perfect to be online, so I must support this motion. Thank you.
Honorable Madam Speaker, we respect the concern of the government but we strongly oppose this motion. Social media is not enemy. Lack of awareness is. Instead of awareness, we have to teach digital responsibilities, promote cyber education in schools, encourage parental guidance over regulation will limit the freedom of expression, creativity and technological growth. Therefore, this House should reject this motion. Thank you.
Madam Speaker, many parents struggle to monitor their children's online activities and send a clear message that children's safety comes first. A legal ban would support parents. Other countries have took this step before and we should learn from them. Thank you.
Honorable Madam Speaker, banning social media may isolate young people from their friends and digital world. Children need guidance, not restrictions. Trust and belief will prepare better for the future. Thank you.
Honorable Madam Speaker, respected member of the House, as the Minister for Electronics and Information Technology, I stand here today not fully to support a complete ban, not against regulations. I believe both the sides of debate raise valid concerns, but both extreme positions also have serious limitations. Countries like Australia and France have introduced strict regulation for children under 16. However, Indian digital population are different from this nation. On the other hand, we cannot ignore the dangers like cyberbullying, online scams, exploit to harmful contact, social media addiction. These are the real issues which is affecting Indian children. But on the other hand, a complete ban may be difficult to implement. Let us focus on responsible usage, awareness and rather than extreme measures. Thank you, Madam Speaker.
Madam Speaker, this debate is about safeguarding our children. While social media has benefits, the risks for under 16 are too great to ignore. A ban gives children times to grow, learn and build confidence of life. So I commend this motion to the House. Thank you.
Honorable members, well said. The House has heard both sides with great interest. The arguments presented here highlight the importance of balancing freedom as well as responsibility. After some careful consideration, this motion is passed. Our education must empower youth and not burden them. This session of mock parliament is now adjourned.